Oh, good, there you are. Glad you turned up. Just going to start work on the new back bumper. Now, got this from the scrappies about a year ago, meaning to pop it on the old disco. Just a minute. Snails everywhere. Get out of it. Sorry. Excuse me a minute, let's get the snails off. Trouble with keeping stuff in the garden. Okay, right, sorry. Yes, it's not too bad. Obviously not perfect. Didn't cost a lot, I don't think. Can't honestly remember. But there is a problem, and that's this cracking here. Right, I see that there. What I'm going to try and do was a bit of welding, a bit of plastic welding on the inside. Now if you want to see this done properly, and proper repairs to the front of a disco bumper, then you need to check out Wardy's Works. So he does a proper job of it. I'm going to bodge it as usual. It's just an experiment, is this? Alright, well it's difficult to get a camera in here, so I hope you can see that. Right, off we go. And this is the outside. Okay, it's got that authentic, somebody's been at it with a soldering iron, look. With a little bit of black dye. I might get away with that. Pretty solid. Oh, that's that job. And the next job is fitting beepers. These came from eBay, I think. They're Chinese, obviously, and I had them fitted to Lollopy, but I took them off before he went. So all we have to do now is drill 4 holes, feed the wires through, remembering which is which, otherwise you'll get a wrong reading. Right, best crack on before it rains again. When the set comes originally, it comes with a 22mm hole driller, which happens to just last long enough, nearly long enough to drill your 4 holes when you first fit them, and then it expires completely. So I've had to buy a new one. These are proper ones from Screwfix, 22mm. See how they go. See if these expire before I've finished. Right, I'll put the other 2 around the side because ideally I'd like them here, but the reinforcing bit inside is in the way, so I'm going to put it around the side instead. There's plenty of room to get the sensor in. What you don't want is it on too much of a curve. Otherwise it won't sit flat. Screw came loose. Can't have a loose screw. Well, still works, hasn't expired. Right, all the wires are the same length, so it doesn't matter which one's which. They are shaped, so let's start with this one. Uh-huh. How's it going? Yeah, well that's it, you see. It's how to sleep in the afternoon. Sit down, sleep. That's it. Yeah, there's nothing else. It's not complicated.
I didn't sleep very well last night, to be honest.
Ah.
Anything on your video about being asleep, did
It's on right now. Well, 600th time looking.
I told you 1,000 times not to exaggerate.
No, it told me 1,000,000 times not to exaggerate.
Well, a million.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to pop the last one in, and then we need to drill some holes in the back bits to get the wires through. Right, drill the holes in there, feeding the wires through. It's a good. This is a good time to mark the wires because you've got to know which way, which end is which. The box has to know. Left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we'll do it. One. That'll do for the moment. So, come back to this in a bit. So I shall see you in a bit.